Welcome to part 1 of the series, How to Help Your Kids Master Addition and Subtraction of Fractions the First Time. Cameron ate half of a small cheese pizza and 3/4 of a small pepperoni pizza. How much pizza did he eat? Working with these types of problems, you want to start with a real-world problem where kids can estimate, they can model it, and you can guide them through the question by asking them guiding questions that help them to find denominators, equivalent fractions, and to determine reasonableness. So we're going to get started here with 1/2 plus 3/4, and we know that it's going to equal something, and we really don't know what that is, but we can estimate knowing that 1/2, we're going to start there and we're going to add onto it 3/4, which is greater than 1/2. So we know that adding those together, we're going to get a sum that is more than 1 whole, but less than 2. So we're going to go ahead and model that, where we're showing 1/2, and we're also going to show the 3/4. The kids should notice that the sizes of the slices are different, and so we want to be asking them those guiding questions. Can you make halves into fourths or fourths into halves? And that's how we guide them into finding common denominators and what it actually means when we have a common denominator. And we make those halves into fourths, which means that we're going to be using the equivalent fractions and adding 2/4 plus 3/4, and we can either count to get 5/4, or we can add those fourths together. It's the same thing. A lot of our kids will struggle to understand, well, why is this more than 1 whole and less than 2 whole pizzas? That's what our estimate says, and this is going to prove it when they are putting this into this, when they're putting 2/4 and 3/4 together, combining those into the same whole. So they have the 2/4 together, then they're going to add the 3/4 to it, and it shows 1 whole pizza and 1/4 more, or 5/4 pizzas. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to get your copy of Fractions Made Easy, a helpful resource that provides a list of support videos with pictorial representations to help you get your kids to where you want them to be.